In a world where hygiene and comfort define lifestyle, one company is quietly reshaping everyday living with smart design and trusted Korean quality. Welcome to ACELIFE.
저희 에이스라이프는 글로벌 브랜드의 OEM 생산으로 시작되었으며 디자인부터 엔지니어링, 생산, 배송까지 전 과정을 한 번에 맡길 수 있는 통합 솔루션을 제공합니다. 풍부한 연구 개발과 제조 경험을 바탕으로 자체 브랜드를 만들었고 더 새로운 제품, 더 새로운 아이디어로 시장을 선도하고 있습니다.
Our products are developed in-house with proprietary technology and design, and we also produce many of the key components ourselves. Each part is modularized, assembled at our headquarters factory, and carefully inspected at every stage of the production process. With a monthly production capacity of over 80,000 units, we are equipped to manufacture more than 1 million units annually. Each product is certified to meet international standards, including UPC, CE, and CETL. Quality is not just a process, it's our promise. Our smart toilets are engineered for daily hygiene and long-term comfort. From automatic opening to deodorizing and eco-saving flushing, every detail reflects thoughtful design. Our coffee machines are the result of direct development by engineers with over 20 years of experience in researching and developing fully automatic coffee machines. Our fully automatic coffee machines are built for modern workplaces, offering barista-quality drinks with a single touch. Pair them with our ice dispensers for a complete office refreshment solution. Our products are exported to over 30 countries, including Southeast Asia, Europe, and North America. As a global partner, we support not just products, but marketing, technical documentation, and regulatory compliance for every region. We grow together with our partners. We are ACELIFE, where technology meets trust and design meets daily life. We look forward to building lasting partnerships with you. Now is the time to take the hand of ACELIFE, ready to leap even higher. Let's team up.